Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. That is, A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3. Solution: given that A is equal to 4 and D is equal to minus 3 in arithmetic progression, first term A1 is equal to A, which is equal to 4. Second term A2 is equal to A plus D. Substituting the values of A and D, we get 4 plus of minus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Third term A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is equal to 4 plus 2 into minus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2. Fourth term A4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to 4 plus 3 into minus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 9, that is equal to minus 5. Therefore, the first four terms are 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5.